Where's Homer?
I don't know. I thought he was following you.
Poor Homer. He sure needs glasses.
Boy, what a day for flying. I can see for miles. Oops. Pardon me. Well, here I am, fellas.
Homer, you need glasses.
Oh, yeah? I'll show you. Golly, maybe I do need glasses. Hi, fellas. Where can I get a pair of glasses? Don't do that again, or you'll get this. Scared you, huh? Do you know a good eye doctor? All right, wise guy, you asked for it. Most unfriendly bunch of pigeons I ever met. Pardon me, sir. I'm looking for an eye doctor. That way? Thank you. In there, huh? I want to see the doctor.
All right, son. Sign on the dotted line.
Ho-ho! Wait till Homer finds out he's enlisting in the Army for 20 years.
Now, why didn't I think of that? And now for a little checkup. Just a formality, you know. Amazing. Priceless. Astounding. Incredible. You're doing fine, son. Just sensational. Our Uncle Sam needs birds like you.
Gosh, I didn't know it was so hard to get glasses.
Like I said, boy, you're doing great. Just one more test and you're in.
That's the surgery room.
Glasses!
Open by mistake. Lucky you didn't come out of pigeon stew.
All I want is a pair of glasses.
Here we are, son. Read the second line. Step back, 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 back. Ouch! Okay, you pass.
Oh, boy, I can see! I can see! what do I do when I finish peeling these potatoes?
Potatoes? What potatoes?
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed our show. Join us again on our next program for a half hour of fun with your old pal, Woody Woodpecker.
See you on our next show. Bye now.